Hey guys, I'm Tyler, and today we're back with even more pouches. Now, we just covered our AR-15 and pistol mag variants and multi-caliber pouches, and then our shotgun cards and shotgun shell pouch. Today we have 3 new additions to the lineup, so don't forget to subscribe to our mailing list, make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel, and you click the bell to get notifications on new videos. First up is going to be what we're calling our Pita pouch. This is going to be an admin variant pouch, so instead of running a chest-mounted pistol holster, or if you wanted additional capacity to run an admin pouch setup up on the top of your plate carrier, you can. It's going to be designed to fit whatever you need. It's a low profile, very slim pouch, so you can put a cell phone, you can put pens, knives, a Right in the Rain pad, map, whatever you need for your admin pouch. On the inside, it has a couple elastic straps that act as keepers to give you the option of what you want to run. We have an easy open Hypalon pull tab up top that's easy to access with bare hands or gloves, so if you need to open it, you can rip it down and open it. In addition, we ran Hypalon side profiles, so if you are somebody who keeps a really deep shoulder pocket for your rifle, that gives a little bit of extra traction on your stock while you're running a plate carrier. Pretty simple setup here, a great option, and it does have a full, you maintain the ID panel on the front of the Pita pouch for IDs or patches. Now, next up is our general purpose pouch. Pretty basic. It's a very standard general purpose pouch. This is a good size for stuffing just about any kind of gadgets or accessories you need, whatever you decide to run in your general purpose pouch. It has a half open zipper, so when you open it up, it's not going to fully expose everything, so your gear will not fall out. It is you can leave it open and dig through the pouch. It has a small divider on the inside and elastic retention straps as well, in addition to a generous Velcro panel up front for more pouches or ID. Lastly, we have our dump pouch. Now, this is expandable, and it's a generously sized dump pouch. And what we did is it has a rigid looped around kind of opening, and what that does is it helps keep it open, and then when you want to, it will close via Velcro, so you can have this mounted to your belt and just pull it open. It's a pretty straightforward pouch, and it collapses pretty small when it's not in use. So if you're looking for a dump pouch, we recommend you check it out. It does have a abrasion resistant bottom with a grommet as well for drainage. This is Hypalon, so it's going to last a long time. And these are 3 additions to our new pouch offerings. Again, don't forget to check us out at AR500armor.com.